If you've ever walked out to your car and found a pile of metal shavings and a suspicious gap under your car, congratulations, you're officially in the club. The Catalytic Converter Stolen Club, with millions of unlucky members and growing every year. It's not exactly exclusive or fun. Besides being insanely annoying, losing your catalytic converter can also feel like you just lost your wallet. The repair bill is no joke. It could be $1,000 to $3,000 depending on your car. For a metal cylinder roughly the size of a loaf of bread, that hurts. Like, cancel your weekend plans hurts. If this just happened to you, first take a deep breath. You're probably hearing roaring engine noises that make your car sound like a jet taking off. That's because the exhaust system is basically missing its centerpiece. Totally normal, well, not normal, but common with theft. So, you got hit. What now? Step 1. Don't keep driving. Sorry to be Captain Buzzkill, but that extra loud noise isn't just embarrassing. It means your engine and the rest of your exhaust system are exposed. Unfiltered fumes. Potential ticket from a cop who knows the roar a little too well. First thing to do is snap photos of the damage. Crawling under the car with your phone is less fun than TikTok, but you want evidence for insurance. Get clear shots showing where the catalytic converter used to be and any damage to the pipes. Next, file a police report. No, it won't get your converter back, but if you ever want to see a dime from your insurance company, you need a case number. The police might also know if this happened to like 12 people in your neighborhood last week. Spoiler, it probably did. Now check your insurance. If you only have liability, the fix is 100% out of pocket, which is about the opposite of thrilling. But if you have comprehensive, you've got a shot at getting most or all of this paid for, minus your deductible. When it comes to fixing it, you'll need a new catalytic converter. Here's where it gets Kafkaesque. Thieves love certain models. Hondas, trucks, you name it. So some dealers are weeks or months backlogged on replacements. Yes, supply chain is still a thing. If you're in a rush, and who isn't, consider an aftermarket catalytic converter. Cheaper, usually in stock, and legal in most states. Pro tip, if you're in California, your choices are basically OEM or walking everywhere, thanks to super strict smog laws. A mechanic will need to weld the new part in place. This isn't beginner DIY stuff unless you have a welder and a death wish. Expect a few hours and a bill that makes you rethink all previous car expenses. 2 pro tips. Get a written estimate first and check for warranty. While you're at it, think about installing a catalytic converter shield. These are thick metal plates that make stealing your new part take a lot longer. 35 minutes instead of 90 seconds. That's the kind of math thieves don't like. Shields run around $200, $400 installed, and can be a real deterrent. If you want to go full Fort Knox, some shops will etch your VIN onto the converter or slap on a motion-sensitive alarm. None of this will make your car bulletproof, but it bumps you further down the thief's to-do list. Remember, you can't stop every crime, but you can be less convenient. Last thing, let your neighbors know. Seriously, text your group chat or post in your local Facebook group. The more people know, the more cars get protected, and the less likely you'll have to do this whole dance again next year, at least in theory.